Welcome again to our Arabic learning series, learning to speak Arabic in everyday conversation. In lesson 2, we will continue on building on everyday Arabic words. Before we begin lesson 2, let's review the vocabulary from lesson 1. Let's start. Na'am, we said yes. La, no. Bait, house. Maktab, office. Sharika, company. سائق, driver. طبيب, doctor. حارس, guard or security guard. شرطي, policeman. And مهندس, engineer. Lesson 2 vocabulary. We have 10 additional vocabulary words to add on. Let's start. محاسب, محاسب, accountant. طائرة, طائرة, airplane. مطار, مطار, airport. عامل, عامل, worker. مدير, مدير, manager. All right, this side. مستشفى, hospital. ممرضة, ممرضة, nurse. سيارة, سيارة, car. مدرسة, مدرسة, school. And last but not least, موظف, موظف, employee. All right. Based on these vocabulary words that we've just learned, in this next slide, try to match the words you just learned with their correct meanings before I reveal the answer, okay? So this is an exercise to see if you've memorized the vocabulary that we've just covered. طائرة. What do you think طائرة means among these options here? طائرة means airplane. All right. What about سيارة? سيارة. سيارة is car. Okay. مطار. مطار. مطار is airport. Okay. محاسب. محاسب. That would be accountant. محاسب. The last one obviously ممرضة. That's nurse. All right, this section over here. Same thing here. عامل. عامل. What do you think عامل means? It means worker. Okay. مدير. مدير. مدير means, among these options, manager. مدير is manager. مدرسة. مدرسة will mean school. Okay. موظف. موظف. موظف is employee. And last one, مستشفى, hospital. Sorry about this is not correct. Hospital. Hospital. All right. For this slide, try to translate each word into English in your mind again before I reveal the answer. Again, this is just an exercise to make you memorize these vocabularies, okay? So try to translate it into English. Matar. What do you think matar means in English? I'll give you a few seconds. Matar means airport, all right? Sayyara. Sayyara means car, okay? Muwazzaf. Muwazzaf means employee. Mudir. Mudir means manager. Okay. Muhasib. Muhasib translated into accountant. All right. Let's do the same thing on this slide. Translate into English. Madrasa. What do you think madrasa means? school. Okay. طائرة. طائرة is airplane. Okay. عامل. عامل is worker. Worker. And مستشفى. مستشفى would be hospital. Last one here. ممرضة. ممرضة is nurse. All right. For this slide, look at the picture and say the word in Arabic in your mind before the answer is revealed, okay? All right. This is we can see this is a hospital. How do you say hospital in Arabic? مستشفى. مستشفى. This is we can see this is a school. And how do you say school in Arabic? School would be madrasa. Madrasa. Okay. This is an airport. How do you say airport? Matar. Matar. All right. This is a car. How do you say car? سيارة. سيارة. And this one here, this is an airplane. How do you say airplane in Arabic? طائرة. طائرة. All right. Let's do the same thing on this slide here. Look at the pictures and say the words in Arabic, okay? So this here, this man, he's an employee, which means موظف. موظف. Okay. He is a worker. Work in Arabic is عامل. عامل. Okay. He is an accountant. Accountant in Arabic is محاسب. محاسب. All right. She is a nurse. Nurse in Arabic is ممرضة. ممرضة. Okay. He is a manager. Manager in Arabic is مدير. مدير. All right. For the next slide, let's practice the use of نعم, which is yes, and لا, which is no. All right. Is this an airport? We can see that this is not an airport, so it's لا. لا means no, it's not an airport. Is this a company? لا, this is not a company, it's a school. Is this an office? نعم. نعم, yes. Is this a house? نعم, yes. Is this an airplane? لا. لا, this is not an airplane. Is this a car? لا. No, this is not a car. All right. Let's do the same thing here. Is he a security guard? No. لا. He's a موظف. He's an employee. Is he a doctor? نعم. Yes, he is a doctor. Is he a driver? نعم. Yes, he's a driver. Is she an accountant? لا. لا. She's a nurse. Is he a manager? لا. لا. He's a policeman. And last one here, is he an engineer? نعم. نعم. He is an engineer. نعم. So yes is نعم and no is لا. All right. In this slide, translate the English words into Arabic in your mind before I reveal the answer. Okay? Manager. What do you think manager means in Arabic? Manager means, let's reveal it real quick. Yeah, مدير. مدير. That's what manager means. Okay, hospital. What do you think hospital means? مستشفى. مستشفى. Hospital. School. School is مدرسة. مدرسة. Accountant. محاسب. محاسب. Car. سيارة سيارة. nurse ممرضة ممرضة. All right, there you have it. That concludes lesson 2. As always, continue to review the vocabulary and we will slowly move into conversation. Again, please subscribe to the channel, like the video and share. See you next time.